Hello everyone, welcome to Enlighten Study Point. তা আজি আমি Social Scienceৰ Class 9 Political Scienceৰ Chapter 2 Types or Classification of Government সেই চেপ্টাৰৰ give short answer 1 পৰা 6 লৈকে লৈ আনিছোঁ। তা ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগতে মই সকলোকে ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ যে মোৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব। তা number 1, what are the different types of government prevalent in the world at present? In the present time, the world has democratic form of government which are classified into 4 types. Number A, the unitary form of government. In this form of government, the whole administration lies in the hands of the central government. The power of the state is centralized at the hand of the central government and the whole state is governed from the state. The local administration is under direct control of the central government. Example, France, Britain. Number B, the federal form of government. In federal form of government, there is presence of both central and provincial government. There is decentralization of power. 3 organs of the government are executive, legislature and judiciary are independent of each other. Example, USA. Third, the parliamentary form of government. A parliament form of government, also known as cabinet form of government. In this form of government, there is relationship between the executive and the legislature. Example, India. Number D, the presidential form of government. In this form of government, the principle of separation of power divides the executive and legislature. Both are independent of each other. There is no distinct of head of state and head of government. There is fixed tenure of the state. Example, USA. The question number 2. Give the 2 characteristics of the parliamentary form of government. Number 1. 2 head. There are 2 heads in this system. One is the nominal executive and the other one is the real or actual executive. The council of ministers under the leadership of the prime minister is the real executive and the head of the state, like the president. The king or the queen is the nominal executive. Number 2. The council of ministers is responsible to the legislature. In the parliamentary form of government, the executive remains responsible to the legislature for its every work. The council of ministers is bounded to tender its legislation if the legislature passes the no confidence motion in the floor of the house. Number 3. Write briefly about the 2 merits and 2 demerits of the parliamentary form of government. The 2 merits. Number 1. In the parliamentary form of government, there is proper understanding, good cooperation and cordial relationship between the executive and the legislature. As a result, any type of problem can be solved with the help of the law. Number 2. The government cannot act against the interest of the common people as the executive remains responsible and also accountable to the legislature. 2 demerits. Number 1. In this type of government, if no political party can form a government by obtaining absolute majority, in that case there is a possibility of forming alliance government, which may prove to be quite temporary in nature, resulting in subsequent political crisis in the government. Number 2. The ministers of the parliamentary government are generally found to be inexperienced in the departmental activities, and as such they become highly dependent on the bureaucrats. Therefore, the influence of the bureaucrats increase in the day-to-day functioning of the government, and it's assumed the nature of bureaucratic government. Question number 4. What is meant by the principle of separation of power? Separation of power means the division of government responsibility into different branches to limit any one branch from performing the function of another branch. In the presidential form of government, the executive is not responsible to the legislature. Both the organs of the government are independent. The members of legislature do not become members of executive and cannot participate in the functioning of the legislature. The question number 5. Give the 2 characteristics of the presidential form of government. Number 1. No distinction between the head of the state and the head of the government. Unlike the parliamentary form of government, there is 2 heads, one for the state and another for the government. In such system, the president is both the head of the state as well as the head of the government. Number 2, fixed tenure of the legislature. In the presidential form of government, each legislature does not get dissolved for any reason prior to the expire of its fixed tenure. Even the president can't dissolve the legislature since no such power has been vested on him. The number 6, write briefly about two merits and two demerits of the unity form of government. The two merits ক'ব গ'লে এক নম্বৰ suitable for small countries. 2, there is no conflict of authority and responsibility. Two demerits হৈ গ'ল, the central government will have to tackle so many complex problems that lead to administrative delay. 2 নম্বৰ, the central government will not concentrate on local problem, local interest and initiative. তো বাকি কোৱেশ্যনছবোৰ নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত জানিম। ধন্যবাদ।